how to make Instagram story icon smaller. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Right here you should know that there is no any direct feature or the option where you can make the story icon smaller. But still there is an alternative method for it. What you have to do is first of all take the screenshot of this page and then move into your profile. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then head over to settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and move into help. Tap on report or problem. Click on report problem without seeking. Click on include and continue. It will land you on this interface. Well, in this section you need to enter the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. Once you are done, tap on upload. Select the screenshot that you have just taken before. Once you are done, tap on send at the top right corner. There you go, your report has been successfully sent to the Instagram support. Now within 24 hours, the Instagram support will definitely come up with some solution for you. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to make Instagram story icon smaller. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.